Frequently asked questions about neon pothos. Neon pothos Epipremnum aureum neon, with its vibrant, eye-catching leaves, has become a favorite among plant enthusiasts. This striking plant is known for its bright chartreuse color, which adds a splash of liveliness to any space. However, like many popular houseplants, it comes with its own set of questions. Here's a comprehensive guide based on my experiences and insights into the most frequently asked questions about neon pothos. See more 15 species in genus Epipremnum, pothos at monsteraholic.com. Are neon pothos toxic to cats? Yes, neon pothos is toxic to cats. The plant contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation to your cat's mouth and throat if ingested. Symptoms may include drooling, vomiting, and difficulty swallowing. If you suspect your cat has chewed on your neon pothos, it's a good idea to contact your veterinarian immediately. To keep your feline friends safe, consider placing the plant in an area that's out of their reach or choosing pet-friendly plants. How to propagate neon pothos? Propagating neon pothos is relatively simple and a great way to expand your plant collection or share with friends. Here's how I do it. Cutting: use a clean, sharp pair of scissors or pruning shears to cut a healthy stem that is at least 4 to 6 inches long. Make sure the cutting has at least 2 to 3 leaves and a few nodes, the small bumps where leaves grow. Preparation: remove the leaves from the bottom 1 to 2 inches of the cutting to expose the nodes. Rooting: place the cutting in a jar of water, ensuring that the nodes are submerged but the leaves are not. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh. Transplanting: once the roots are about 1 to 2 inches long, you can transfer the cutting to soil. Plant it in a well-draining potting mix and water it lightly. How to care for neon pothos? Caring for neon pothos is straightforward if you keep a few key points in mind. Light: neon pothos thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, while too little light may cause the plant to lose its vibrant color. Watering: water when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure the pot has good drainage. Temperature: it prefers temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or heating vents. Humidity: average household humidity is usually sufficient, but it can tolerate higher humidity levels. Fertilizing: feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 1 to 2 months during the growing season, spring and summer. Why is my neon pothos turning yellow? Yellowing leaves on your neon pothos can be a sign of several issues. Overwatering: this is the most common cause. Make sure the soil is well draining and allow it to dry out slightly between waterings. Underwatering: conversely, if the soil is too dry, the plant may also show yellow leaves. Check the moisture level regularly. Low light: lack of sufficient light can cause the leaves to lose their color and turn yellow. Move the plant to a brighter location if needed. Nutrient deficiency: if you haven't been fertilizing regularly, the plant may lack essential nutrients. Regular feeding can help prevent this. How often to water neon pothos? I usually water my neon pothos every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the season and environmental conditions. In warmer, brighter conditions, it will need more frequent watering. In cooler, less sunny environments, reduce watering to avoid waterlogging. Are neon pothos rare? Neon pothos is not particularly rare, but its bright color and easy care make it highly desirable. It's widely available at garden centers and online plant shops. However, availability can vary depending on your location. Can neon pothos grow in water? Yes, neon pothos can grow in water, making it a great plant for water propagation. As long as you change the water regularly and provide it with enough light, the plant can thrive. Just be sure to transfer it to soil once it has established a good root system if you prefer it to be a traditional potted plant. How fast does neon pothos grow? Neon pothos is known for its rapid growth. Under ideal conditions with bright, indirect light and proper watering, it can grow several feet in a year. Its trailing vines make it an excellent choice for hanging baskets or cascading displays. How much light does neon pothos need? Neon pothos does best in bright, indirect light. It can tolerate low light but will lose some of its vibrant color. Avoid direct sunlight, which can cause leaf burn. A spot near a window with filtered light is perfect. How to keep neon pothos neon? To maintain its vibrant neon color, ensure your plant receives adequate light. Lack of light can cause the plant to revert to a greener hue. Regular feeding and proper watering also help keep the plant healthy and colorful. Neon pothos versus Lime Philodendron. While both plants feature bright, lime green leaves, neon pothos has a more chartreuse hue and tends to be easier to care for. The Lime Philodendron is more compact with slightly different leaf shapes and growth habits. Both are stunning, but your choice may come down to personal preference and space availability. Neon pothos versus golden pothos. Neon pothos and golden pothos are similar but with distinct differences. Neon pothos has a brighter, almost fluorescent color, while golden pothos features a more yellow-green hue with variegated patterns. Golden pothos is also a bit more tolerant of lower light conditions compared to neon pothos. Additional tips. Pruning. Regularly trim your neon pothos to encourage bushier growth and remove any yellow or dead leaves. Repotting. Repot every 1 to 2 years or when the plant outgrows its pot to provide more space for root development. Neon pothos is a fantastic addition to any plant collection, offering both aesthetic appeal and ease of care. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy a thriving, vibrant plant in your home.